Hi cuties, today we are going to learn farm animals. Farm animals name in English. Let's get started. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Ox, O-X, ox. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Llama, L-L-A-M-A, llama. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share among your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.